Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you quick and easy, very tasty and delicious Mooli Paratha. I'm going to use one big Mooli, white radish, Daikon, and I'm going to use this grater. The bigger side we're going to use to grate the Mooli, and I already grated it. I haven't taken out the water. So I'm going to squeeze the grated Mooli and we're going to discard the water. The other ingredient we're going to use green chili, ginger, onion and cilantro, dry mint. Ajwain, this is the carom seed and it's really good for the paratha. But if kids don't like it, please skip it. Cumin seed, jeera, coriander powder, cumin powder, salt, garam masala, red chili powder. Each one of them half teaspoon. Then olive oil for our paratha. You can use butter, that's strictly optional also. Or you can use vegetable oil. And let's start making our delicious Mooli Paratha. The Mooli is grated and this is how it looks. And this is the important step. Grab this much, squeeze it just like this. If you see all the water coming out, the whole reason we're doing all the bitterness is inside the water, and also it's a big moisture. When you're going to roll out in a dough, then it's going to become wet and very sticky. So this is important. And also if your kids are not used to eating Mooli paratha, because it tastes really strong taste. So this way when you squeeze all the water out like this, then you make paratha. I'm squeezing it really hard. So this is the way now the Mooli going to look, and we're going to use in our paratha, and it's going to taste really well. And now I'm going to bring all other ingredients. First we're going to bring cilantro, ginger, green chili, onions. We're going to mix them well. This is looking good. Now I'm going to bring all the spices: cumin, mint, ajwain, carom seed, cumin powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, salt, garam masala. And we're going to mix them all. This masala is ready for our Mooli paratha. I have flattened out the peda and we're going to get good amount of filling and we're going to basically cover it. This is the dusting flour. We're going to need that. And when it comes to paratha, you can make a round shape or you can make any shape. And this is a quick and easy, so we don't have to worry about any size, that what size we're going to make. So once it's rolled out, and this is a good size, and if we look at on this side, it's nicely rolled out. So we're going to get our paratha and we'll put it on the grater. I'm going to start the second one. Get a good size of peda. Peda means it's a dough ball. When you make a Mooli paratha, this is so delicious, you know. And on the other side, if you notice that the color has changed a little bit, so I'm going to turn around and I'll put it on this side. As soon as we turn it, we're going to use olive oil. And you can use butter, whatever you prefer. So we're going to start rolling the second one. So now we're going to, it's a good idea, use a spatula. You don't burn yourself, so you turn it around. Then we're going to get oil. And with the help of spatula, we're just going to make sure that it's nicely coated. So once it's nicely covered with the oil, we're going to flip it over on the other side. And I'm going to bring the gas a little bit low. And on this side, we're going to get filling for our second paratha. And we're going to put it in. Just seal it. You know, no specific way that you have to seal it this way. You just do it. And we're going to turn over one more time. Look at how crispiness paratha is. Look at this. It's beautiful. Nice color. And now we're going to roll out. One more time. We're just going to make sure that we're going to give a crispiness on this side as well. Look at this. It's perfect. So the gas is on medium. And it's all ready. And we're going to take out that paratha. Look at this. Perfect. I'm going to pick up this one and we're going to put it on top. As you see, it's started to change the color a little bit. If your hands are too sensitive, use some kind of spatula and then put the oil on top, and with the same spatula we can turn around like this. So once it's nicely coated, this is good, and we're going to turn it over. Perfect. And we're going to bring oil on this side Not too much. You don't want to use it too much, then it will basically burn and will smoke out your house more. Going to give a little time on this side, or you can press it like this. And look at this. How nice texture. Perfect. Our Mooli Paratha is done. If we look at on other side. So this is looking perfect. So I'm going to take it out. And this is what I was talking about. Not too much oil. You see, there is no oil. Otherwise, it will smoke more. Our quick and easy Mooli Paratha is very tasty and very delicious. So easy to make. And it's super tasty and super delicious. Please try it and you're going to like it. And if you like this paratha, like always, like, share, and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.